Need reliable wireless connection for one or more of your cameras? The SlingStudio CameraLink has you covered. Complete your on-the-go SlingStudio production system with the SlingStudio CameraLink. Connect any HDMI-compatible camera to the CameraLink and transmit your video feed up to 300 feet away. This is a completely wireless solution that is so easy to set up it can be done anywhere. But don't take our word for it. In this product spotlight, we're going to walk you through how to connect your CameraLink to your SlingStudio production hub in just a few easy steps. Let's take a look.
Connect the HDMI-C to HDMI-D cable from your CameraLink to your camera, like so.
Next, you're actually going to turn on your CameraLink. You're going to want to hold this down for a few seconds. See that light? That shows you how much battery there is. That'll show you the connectivity. And it's blinking. That's a good sign. So this is your actual SlingStudio Hub. It's very simple. So as you can see, it's not in here yet. Well, that's a really quick fix in order to find your CameraLink. You're going to click that gear icon. You're going to go to My CameraLinks, and you're going to turn that on. This may take a little while, but right now what it's doing is it's literally scanning for that CameraLink. And now we'll go over here, and look, it's automatically picking it up. There we are. And we are actually recording right now, so we're actually going to show you the feed from our PTZ camera. Sorry for the overexposure. But yeah, it's literally that simple. Alright, now you're ready to go outside with your SlingStudio and stream whatever it is you need to stream, be it a baseball game, a soccer game, even just some sort of live event in general. But it is literally that simple to set up your cameras wirelessly to the SlingStudio. This is Adam Noyes from Videoguys. Thank you for watching.
The SlingStudio CameraLink, or any part of the SlingStudio production system, is available at Videoguys.com, or give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Again, that's 1-800-323-2325.